Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how to make this beautiful top, this stylish top. You have already seen it on the thumbnail, and this is the dress. This is the back view. You can see how beautiful it is, and this is the front. So in today's video you're going to learn step by step on how to make this beautiful dress. Okay, please support me by subscribing to my channel, by liking my video, by commenting, and also sharing this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for joining us today. Let's get to work. So guys, this is the pattern that we're going to be using. This is just a normal basic body, so I did not actually mark the round measurement. I just draft out the important points that we are going to be using. So first, I came down by half an inch, which is going to serve as our shoulder line. From there, I mark my neck depth and the neck width of 3 by 3. Are you guys following? And then from the shoulder to my chest line, from the shoulder to my bust line, and then from the shoulder to the under bust, and then the waist line, and then the hem line. The hem line is going to be the full length of this pattern paper. The full length of this pattern paper is about 26. So the next thing we are going to do now is to go ahead and take our round body measurement. So I'm going to divide my bust by 4, and then I'm going to go ahead and mark it, and I'm going to add 1.5 sewing allowance to it. Are you guys following? So now the next thing, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to divide my under bust by 4, and then I'm going to go ahead and mark it, and then I will also add my sewing allowance. I will do the same thing on my waistline, and then I will do the same thing on my hemline. Are you guys following? Please, if you have any question, go ahead and let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching. Let's continue. So the next thing, on my neck width, I'm going to come down by 1 inch. On the neck width, you're going to come down by 1 inch, just as you see me do in this video. And then the next thing, you're going to go ahead and cuff your armhole cuff like this on your chest line to your bust line. And then the next thing, you're going to take your ruler, and then you're going to join the point together. From the point that you came down on your neck width by 1 inch, you're going to just go ahead and join it and connect it to your armhole depth, and then you're going to go ahead and join the point together, just as seen in this video. And then the next thing, on your hemline, you're going to go up by 4 inch, and then you're going to join the point together to give that curve shape, just as you see me do in this video. So you guys, the next thing is to go ahead and cut it out. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video to this extent. Please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Okay, thank you. I love you guys. And again, if you want to learn how to draft basic body, how to draft different pattern, check my YouTube channel. I have different video on how you can actually learn how to draft pattern by yourself. Thank you. So guys, this is the fabric that we're going to be using for this dress. This is a pleated fabric. I don't know if this is how they call it, but this is how I call it, pleated fabric, because it is pleated. So we are going to use this for this dress. Okay, so you can use any fabric of your choice. Okay, don't panic. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out using the pattern paper, just exactly how the pattern paper. I'll go ahead and cut it and bring it back. So you guys, this is what it looks like. I've gone ahead to cut it out. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the pin, and then we're just going to go straight and start sewing it. So this is it. As you can see, like, it is folded, but then if you should drag it, you will see that it's going to actually size the person that is going to wear this. So I'm just going to go ahead and hem from the neck width to the armhole, and then to the hemline. I'm just going to stitch down all the part. The only place that I will not stitch is going to be the neckline, because we're going to use another fabric to actually put on the neckline. And then on the side, I'm going to make a strap that is going to go from the side to the back. It's going to tie from the side to the back. I will attach it, and then I will bring it back. You guys, I'm going to attach the strap on the under bust. I'm going to use under bust line. So guys, this is what it looks like. I've gone ahead to stitch down, like I said, that we are going to stitch down the armhole, and then the side, and then the hemline. So this is the rope. I've attached it. This is what it looks like. So the next thing is to go ahead and work on the neckline. So for the neckline, I'm just going to go ahead and measure my round neck. I'm going to take a measurement on the round neck, my round neck. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut fabric that we're going to be using on the neckline, exactly like that. Then I will add like half inches to it for sewing allowance, and then I will go ahead and cut it. I will bring it back. Okay, so this is it. I've gone ahead to cut it, and I have also ironed it. So for the width, we are using 2.5. It is folded, so when folded is 2.5, when it's open it is 5 inch. And then for the length, I said it is going to be your round neck measurement, and then you're going to go ahead and cut it and add like 1 inch sewing allowance or ½ inch. Okay, and then on your dress, you're going to measure your neck width, the difference from the other part of your neck width to the other side of your neck width. You're going to measure it, then you're going to go ahead and notch it on your neckband, and then you're going to go ahead and stitch down the other side. You're going to only leave your neckline open, and then you're going to go ahead and turn it to the right side. So guys, this is it. I've gone ahead to stitch it down, and I've also ironed it out. So you're going to go ahead and place it like this. You're going to put your neckline inside your band, and then you're going to go ahead and stitch it down. You're going to top stitch it just as you see me do in this video. And then the next thing, you're going to go ahead and iron it, and then on the back side, you're going to attach a button to it. Anyone you want to use, whether hook or you can use hook, but for me, I'm going to be attaching the button to it. But when I was making this video, I did not have any button because I have to go to the market to make the button hole, and then I'm going to attach it. So this is what it looks like. So the only thing that is left here is just to attach our button hole and then add our button to it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. And then if you want to order anything from us, let us know in the comment section. Bye.